Heights. Your Excellency, Kenya and Rwanda enjoy strong relations that continue to grow from strength to strength. Our partnership is evident in areas such as trade, infrastructure, education, security cooperation, and people-to-people exchanges. Rwanda appreciates Kenya's role as a strategic partner, both bilaterally and within regional frameworks such as the East African Community.
In fact, when I was informed of my appointment by His Excellency President Biu, I told him that I was returning home. This underscores the strong and excellent bilateral relations between our two sisterly countries, which we cherish, and it is my fervent hope, with the help of God, to strengthen and deepen those bonds of friendship, mutual trust and respect.
Excellency, to present the compliments of my head of state and the people of Bangladesh to you personally and through you to the people of Kenya. It is my earnest hope that I shall succeed in my endeavors to promote further the relations that exist between our two countries